Hi friends, in this video we are going to see the unboxing of Poco F1. I have ordered the Rosso red color variant. It is a new color from Xiaomi and here is the retail sales package. On the box you can see that the MRP written as 21,999, but you can get this phone for 20,999. If you club with bank offer it will be a little more cheaper. On the box you can see the specs. It is powered by Snapdragon 845 processor. It has a liquid cooling system. It has AI dual camera and it has got 4000 mAh battery. As I said, it is a Rosso red color. I have ordered the 6GB and 64GB variant. Two more variants are also available. I bought this phone during Big Billion Sale. Approximately I got it for 19,000. I will give the best buy links in the description box. Please do check that. On opening the box you can see the user manuals, user guide and the warranty information, and also in the box you get the case for your phone. And here is the phone itself, Poco F1 Rosso red color variant. If you are planning to buy a Poco F1, it is the best color to buy. And inside the box you get a USB to Type-C cable and travel adapter. The output of this travel adapter is 5 volts 2 amperes. And also inside the box you get a SIM ejector tool. Let's keep all these things aside and let's remove the covers on the Poco F1 on the front as well as on the back. Here you can see the Poco F1 Rosso red color variant. It is too good. Let's try to power on the device and I will go to the setup process very quickly. Here you can see that the setup process is completed and give the permissions. The phone has been booted up and here you can see that the user interface on Poco phone is completely different from Xiaomi phones. This phone uses Poco launcher. Now let's go to the settings and let's see the specs. Go to settings, go to about phone, and here you can see that the Android version is 8.1 and the MIUI version is 9.6. And out of 64GB, 54GB is available for use. As I said, I have ordered the 6GB variant. Now let's go to the system update and see whether we got any update for Poco F1. Here you can see that we got an update. It is of 1.7GB size. You can see the version, MIUI version 9.6.2.5.0. Let's download the software update. Since this phone runs on Poco launcher, it categorizes the apps depending upon the category. You can see that for every category it has categorized the apps. Now let's look at the physical overview of the phone. The phone has got 20 megapixel front facing camera and IR face unlock, and it has got 6.1 inch full HD plus display, and at the top you got a 3.5mm port. At the right side you got the volume rockers up and down on the power button, and at the bottom you got the Type-C port and the speaker grill. And at the left side you got the SIM tray. It is a hybrid SIM slot. And at the back you got a dual camera setup. The primary camera is 12 megapixel and the secondary camera is 5 megapixel, and you got a flash. Fingerprint sensor is located below the dual camera and the Poco branding at the bottom. Now let's see how the case which is provided in the box looks on the phone. Here you can see that the case doesn't provide any protection to your phone. It looks like a glass back. When you keep your phone upside down, your screen will be damaged. Here you can see that it doesn't provide any protection to the screen also. Now let's test the fingerprint sensor and the face unlock. I have already set up the fingerprint sensor. Here you can see that the fingerprint sensor is working perfectly. And now let's set up the face data. Go to settings, go to lock screen and password, and click on add face data, enter the pattern, and here you can see that the facial recognition has been registered successfully. Now let's try to test the facial recognition. Here you can see that the face unlock is working perfectly. The face unlock is working even in the low light conditions also. Here you can see that I have turned off the lights. Even though I have turned on the lights, it is working perfectly. And now let's test the camera. Here is the front facing camera, and now let's look at the rear camera. I have taken few snaps. That's it guys, here is unboxing video of Poco F1 Rosso red color variant. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.